Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to check properties in HP laptop camera in Windows 11. So for this case, I will go to the search options. So here the search option, see the control panel, I have clicked and I have got some interface. So here the interface, I will click the device manager. See the thing, I have closed it and maximize the thing. So here the laptop I have minimized, then it will show the first stage. Here the camera, if I don't find the things, ISP wide vision HD camera is where, so I have to broken this pipeline. So click here right button and here the properties. See, so when we check, so here the property, what we will get the things. So this is the name and the device type, what type of these cameras, manufacturer from Microsoft, and the location is there. See, now let's check the location is where. So copy the thing and paste and go. It is an unknown device, so sorry it hasn't show any kinds of thing. So at the device status, the device is work properly. You need to restart your computer before the changes you made. So it property related whatever they have, that have has been described, and finally we have to clear that what we should do. See, so we should do that. You need to restart your computer before changes. If I want to change any kinds of thing and I have changed any kinds of things, so obviously I have to restart the things, and you made to this device will take affected. See, and if the thing has not been working, so we have to remember the things, we have to give the restart. See, now the driver, so this is the driver about that is the software related driver things. So details, see here the USB video, here the event, how many events I have used, or I have do things. So view the all events. So click here, it has nothing. Oh, adding snap to console. See, so no need to there for this case I have to install another thing. See, wow, this is the interesting thing. The thing has been shown. See here, when I have used the things general or details information about this kernel, the general things, PNP source kernel where that have got. See, the all kinds of information has been. So I have closed this. See, also I have closed this. See the things. So in this way we can check the camera's property in HP laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.